Hello, my dear students, and welcome to our Systems Analysis and Design class. So before we start part 1 of this video lesson series, let me just give you a brief description on what this subject is all about, what you will learn in this subject, and what are expected from you after completing this course. So remember, you will enroll capstone project in the succeeding semesters. So there are actually 2 capstone project subjects, and in that subject, you are required to develop an information system project or an e-learning application project or any other related project, IT related projects. And if you decide to develop an information system, then systems analysis and design is very much useful. This is very much helpful for you to provide a successful solution to a certain problem. Okay? So this is because systems analysis and design is the preliminary part of any information system project. So in this subject, you will engage yourselves in planning the development of your information systems to solve real-life business problems. And for you to solve these problems, okay, you should be able to understand and specify in detail what your information system should do and how the components of your information system should be implemented and work together. Okay? In developing an information system, the first two parts are actually systems planning and systems analysis before you proceed to systems design. After systems design, there's the development. Okay, but what is happening, okay, and at present, okay, programmers tend to start in the development part without planning, without analyzing the problem, and without giving enough time in the design. Okay, so if that is the case, okay, you proceed to the development phase without planning, without analyzing, without giving enough time to design, your project might fail. No, I will not say might. Your project will fail. Okay? Because uh, it's simple. You cannot provide a correct solution if you did not understand the problem. And understanding the problem is actually systems analysis and design. Okay? So it's important for you to understand first a problem by analyzing it, by planning what will be your solution, and by giving enough time on your design. Okay? So that's why systems analysis and design is very much crucial in developing an information system project. This course will also provide you, students, the skills to identify, oh, this is what I'm talking about, business problems which may be solved by technology-based solutions, determine requirements for information system solution. You will also acquire that. And you will also be skilled in developing designs which form the basis for implementing systems, as well as a strong foundation in systems analysis and design concepts, methodologies, techniques, and tools. Okay, so that is a short description of this subject, and I hope you understood that. As for the contents, okay, as mentioned earlier, there are different phases in systems analysis and design. And always, every project, you always start in planning. After that, systems analysis, systems design, systems implementation, system support, and security. Okay? Since you will be having 2 capstone projects for the succeeding semesters, we can cover the other phases in that subject. Okay? So for this subject, we will focus on the first 3 or even first 2 phases. Okay? If you still have enough time, we will cover also systems design. But if we do not have enough time, we will only cover systems planning and systems analysis. And to monitor our progress, I have prepared a learning timeline for each part. So for systems planning, which is the phase one, we will cover introduction to systems analysis and design, analyzing the business case, and managing systems project. For phase two systems analysis, I will be introducing requirements modeling, data and process modeling, object modeling, and development strategies. So we will be creating diagrams using a software. And if we have enough time, we will also cover phase three systems design, and we will be creating user interface design, data design, and system architecture, not system architect. Okay, so if you have clarifications or queries related to the contents that will be covered, you can always contact me using the following contact details. Thank you and see you on the next or on the first part of this video lesson series.